that Mercury?
It gotta be Mercury.
Jupiter? Jupiter?
I don't know.
Sunset. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Take your glasses off.
It's a video. It's a video! Justin is recording a documentary series video and I'm providing great entertainment for it. I'm up into the mic right now and we're having a good time. That's a great. Nice. How you feeling on it?
Oh, I'm feeling pretty good. It's gonna be a nice little drive. Love a good old road trip.
What do you have to say about that?
Yeah, it's gonna be a good road trip out here.
Heck yeah. How are you think?
Solar eclipse, let's go!
Out on board a westbound 747. Didn't think before deciding what to do. Oh, that talk of opportunities, TV breaks and movies rang true. Sure and true. Seems it never rains in southern
Hot card 1, hot card 3.
Seems I'm
Alright, go get him.
It never rains in California, but girl, don't they warn ya? It pours, man, it pours. Out of work, I'm out of my head. Out of self-respect, I'm out of bread. I'm underloved, I'm underfed. I wanna go home. It never rains in California, but girl, don't they warn ya? It pours, man, it pours.
On the spot already. Let's go.
You and your brother need to do a 1v1.
Oh.
Little Presty, little Presty. Oh. Little Presty.
Southern nights. Have you ever felt a southern night? Free as a breeze, not to mention the trees, whistling tunes that you know and love so. Southern nights, just as good even when closed your eyes. To anyone who can truly say that he has found a better way. Southern skies, have you ever noticed southern skies? Well, its precious beauty lies just beyond the eye. It goes running through the soul like the stories told of old man.
You don't have to, but
That's so weird.
First football catch in normal. Dude, that's gonna look this drone a minute ago was. How we feeling?
Oh my god. I can't wait for the 1 in 20 years.
How we feeling?
Pretty cool. Amazing. That's awesome.
How we feeling? How we feeling?
I'm sharing the film.
Great, amazing. No words.
Yeah, Donnie.
Donnie, words.
It needs to upload to the drop.
Yeah!
Checked out a really cool combine this morning. It's in really good condition. They're probably gonna buy it. Turners are gonna probably buy it. But yeah, it always looks cool as well.
We get it almost every night. And when that moon gets so big and bright, it's supernatural.
Let's go, girls! Let's go, girls!
Everybody here is out of sight.